talk about Sundays. Farmers work tirelessly just to feed our nation.
Despite the hard work, farmers face many problems such as droughts, floods, and degradation.
On 23rd December 2001 was established as Kisan Diwas just to honor the Chaudhary Charan Singh. Thank you farmers for being so helpful and kind. You work day and night tirelessly to feed us. You are the backbone of our nation. So let's salute our farmers, their hard work, their importance, as they are the reason we have food on our tables. Farmer, thanks for the food you make and keep it on table. And we should be improving your technology by giving you market access, infrastructure, and many more things. Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan. Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan.